Does your bank account look like a Questrade commercial? Ever scrolled through YouTube and been bombarded by those sleek Questrade ads? You know the ones with people confidently tapping away on their phones, their portfolios magically growing in the background. It almost makes you wonder, is investing with Questrade the secret sauce to financial freedom? Well, before you ditch your 9-to-5 and dive headfirst into the stock market, let's pump the brakes a sec. Today, we're cracking open the question, does Questrade actually pay well? But hold on, we're not just talking about investment returns here. We're diving deep to see if Questrade, as an employer, coughs up the big bucks for its staff. Now, for those unfamiliar, Questrade, the king of the Canadian online brokerage scene. They basically offer a platform for you to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and other financial doodads. They seem to be on a hiring spree lately, so it's natural to wonder if working there could be your own personal ticket to financial fluency. So, let's get down to brass tacks. The Questrade salary breakdown. According to salary data websites, Questrade employees pull in an average of around $63,572 a year. That's not bad, but remember, averages can be deceiving. Salaries can range anywhere from a low of $39,564 to a cool $105,257. See the gap there? What actually determines how much you make at Questrade? Well, surprise, surprise, it boils down to experience and the position you snag. Those client service specialists, the friendly faces you chat with on the phone, tend to be on the lower end of the pay spectrum. On the other hand, if you're a seasoned financial whiz with a fancy title like portfolio manager, then you can expect a much heftier paycheck. Beyond the base salary. But wait, there's more. Questrade doesn't just throw money at you and call it a day. They also offer a bunch of perks that can seriously sweeten the deal. We're talking competitive benefits packages, including health insurance, dental, and even vision coverage. Feeling stressed? No worries, Questrade throws in some mental and physical wellness programs to keep you zen. For the ambitious folks out there, Questrade even offers educational reimbursement and helps cover the cost of professional designations. That fancy CFA certification you've been eyeing? Working at Questrade might just make it a reality. Is Questrade a goldmine? So, here's the verdict. While Questrade might not be the land of overflowing money rivers, it definitely offers decent salaries and a bunch of additional perks. If you're a financially savvy individual who gets a kick out of the world of investing, then Questrade could be a great place to land. But remember, of course, a hefty paycheck isn't everything. Consider the work culture, growth opportunities, and the day-to-day grind. Is staring at stock charts and fielding customers your idea of a dream job? Do your research. Chat with current Questrade employees, scour online reviews, and get a real feel for the company before you hit that Apply Now button. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.